I'm going to show you how to make explosive airgun pellets. First, get a matchbook, and you want to scrape off the red shit on the back. Then you want to take some of the tips, break them off. Want to take a razor blade, cut it up. You want it really fine so it mixes well. I took this from a piece of road flare, and this should help the explosion. You want to cut that up too. You want to take the powder and put it into a small container so you can mix it. You want to mix it with water next. Add only a few drops. And then mix with whatever, toothpick, tweezers, whatever. I don't give a fuck. You should end up with the liquid, and you want to have hollow point pellets. I have Crossman, Beeman, and Crossman destroyers also work pretty well. What you want to do next is take the toothpick or whatever and fill the hollow points with the liquid or whatever. And you let it dry, and it should be hard when you're done. When you're done, you can cover the tips with wax. You don't have to, but I think it helps. Like that 22 one I have, I covered it in wax. And I have a lot of them. You can't use them hunting though. They're good target rounds though. These, on the other hand, why won't my camera focus? Anyway, all you have to do is take a BB and super glue it on top of a hollow point. They're awesome rabbit rounds because they go right through the skull. And that's kind of what you want. Kind of.